Hi there and welcome to Candy Design YouTube channel. You know that from 25 to 30 years we spent on the bed. And if your bed doesn't make you happy because the condition is not good anymore, however, the quality of your furniture is still solid, don't be in a hurry to throw it away. Instead, think about renovation. That is actually what we're doing for one of our clients. Bed renovation brings a new life to your furniture, and the best part here is that you can choose a color that you like, you feel the right one, and it matches with the furniture in your bedroom. It doesn't require a lot of time, however, it does require skill manual work and really good materials. So if you don't feel that is your cup of tea, it's better to trust an expert. The opportunities don't stop there. You can add some light details to your bed and even decorate it with a unique picture, transforming it into a real sacral piece of art. So if your bed doesn't make you happy, don't throw it away. Keep in mind, it still has some potential. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see the result. See you.